Though if you hold the drawn blade over your head, it'll activate a spell, so please be careful with it.
A spell? I wonder what kind it casts. Go! Huh?
Lise! We should leave soon. Are you ready?
Oh, right!
Hey, all right! We close?
Almost there.
Good.
There's a lot of them. Fortunately, the vast majority have been pulled away by Generic's forces. I've seen a bright light several times now. That means they're probably running low on magic crystals. Though we're almost out too. We need to find the source of these monsters fast.
You all right? Hang on!
Stay back!
Our magic crystals!
Hello, Miss Alicia. We're here to help you.
Cons, thank you!
Who are you?
We're just some adventurers employed by the Atelier.
Thank you, friends.
Hey! I think I found it, guys! They're coming from this building up ahead! I think they're underground! The top is caved in!
Thanks, Tina. Everyone close your eyes now. We're rushing in!
I could see it from afar, but it's even more amazing up close.
I said nothing surprises me anymore, but I was wrong!
Hey, Allraid, drink that, please.
A potion, eh?
It's medicinal herb soup.
Whoa, my wounds, they're healing. You said this is just a soup?
Welcome to the club, sir!
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Pardon?
Hold on, Alicia. Don't go in yet.
Don't waste your time with these. Allow us to fend them off for you.
You be careful, okay?
I will. You too.
They are quite reliable.
Yeah. All right. Time to clean up.
Great minds think alike.
Now, where exactly are these creatures spawning?
If he keeps draining my power like this, I'll be dead soon.
Well...
How do they have a magic crystal?
I see. These fools aren't half bad. I suppose I'm bored anyway. Let them in, I say. I'm delighted to greet the rabble myself.
This is the source. Let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
Did it work? What? It's a demon lord.
This is what's been summoning those monsters, eh?
Yeah, that's who we need to take out.
What tremendous power you have! That would have been dangerous if I didn't have infinite health.
Oh, great. Really?
Really?
His wounds.
If only I had the strength to erase this magic circle.
I've been watching you and your army fight, and I must say, I'm impressed. You're not half bad. Go on. Why not have a look yourselves?
Generic!
Everyone's so desperate to protect the town and the princess. How heroic of them.
Say what you want, vile scum. My frontier knights will never bow before a demon.
Oh, is that so? Perhaps I didn't send enough foes then. That was rude of me. Here, allow me to summon more for your proud knights. I suppose they'll call for more reinforcements themselves then, but at what cost? These boys will make a mockery of your defenseless gate where your backup once stood. Your 3 comrades at the entrance might get trampled underfoot as well.
I won't let you!
You're dead!
I'll slaughter your knights like the pigs they are, then drag the princess out of your little fort. Where are my manners? Perhaps you two would like to be my guests and watch the princess get ripped apart.
Ulicia, let's focus up. We defeat him and we stop his plan in its tracks.
You're right.
But how do we do that? We beheaded him, pierced his heart, and he still stands. Even Kurt's magic crystals couldn't defeat him. And if they manage to break through the ramparts, then the princess...
Yes, that's it! Look at your face! That expression is perfection. Go on, just give up. Be in despair.
This may be the end as I know it. I don't have the strength to run. I can't erase the magic circle. My hunger's at its limit, too. I want to eat something. Wish I could taste Kerr's cooking one last.
Shall we try digging over here?
There's his voice. I'm hallucinating.
See? We punched right through!
You're ever impressive, Sir Kurt.
He's here?
Since there were monsters in all 8 directions, I knew we'd have better luck coming in from underground.
I see. This is what you meant by going the 9th direction.
What? It's Marlefus!
It's really you.
What are you doing down here?
Sir Kurt?
Third Princess Liselote? I see. I guess he's already uncovered the fact that I'm involved with the princess's assassination. That's why Kerr brought her here, hoping to dissuade me from finishing the job.
Is this woman an old friend of yours?
Well, yes, Sister Marlefus happens to be a member of the party I'm greatly indebted to.
Kerr, I am a sister no more. I've been excommunicated from the Polon Church.
Oh no, is that why you've been stalking Lise?
It's okay. You've already pieced it all together, haven't you, dear?
So this is part of your grand plan?
Yes, it's all because of Bishop Tristan.
Right, so you've been making graffiti as a way to vent from being excommunicated from the church!
Bishop Tristan?
Those markings you left all over Lise's room and the defacement of these precious ruins! It was you! You were the infamous scrawling key this whole time, huh? So what happened to the Marlefus that helped me stop Golnova from doing something like this not so long ago?
Oh, Sir Kurt, I'm blown away by how worked up you're getting on my behalf!
Well, of course. She put you through something that terrified you against your will.
What the heck is he even talking about?
Hey, Marlefus. have you seen Eulalicia yet? She should have been down here to clean this stuff up by now.
Eulalicia, was it? Does he mean that adventurer? If you're looking for her, she's one floor up.
Hey, I've got to go up there and try to find her then.
Please, you should stay down here. I'd be happy to go look for Miss Yuli myself. While I'm up there, could you please clean up this glowy graffiti?
Huh? No, it's too dangerous to go alone.
I'll be fine. I have this special sword you gave me, remember? And I don't have to worry about the Scrawler because she's here with you.
As you wish. Good luck.
Thanks. I'll be back.
Take care!
No way. He's letting the princess go off by herself when people want her dead?
Sorry to be that guy, but I'm cleaning this up.
How foolish can this boy be? That's not something you can just rub away. That's impossible! The magic circle was broken!
He just dodged, right?
He did. Strange.
Curse you. What's happening?
Ah, it seems your wounds no longer heal.
And I won't let you! No more stones to break. Playtime is over, dear. I will finish this once and for all.
Yuli!
Huh?
Hey, that lady down there was right!
You're here?
No.
You, the princess!
No! Your Highness!
Now the unholy pact is complete! You're as dead as you are foolish! If you had remained quiet in town, you might have lived a little longer!
Which one of us is the fool here?
Huh?
Lise?
No. An illusion? Everything down to its smell and aura were the same.
Well, you can thank this sword crafted by our Atelier Meister, Butterfly. It's wonderfully made, isn't it? This magic sword can deceive anyone, even demons.
Wait, did Kurt forge a magic sword?
Another illusion?
You said we couldn't break any more stones, right?
What?
Prepare yourself!
Stop! No!
Huh? What was that? It sure sounded like someone screaming.
Can it be? Is he dead? If the summoner perishes, then so shall his monsters.
What just happened here?
All of the monsters simply vanished!
Good. Looks like the operation was a success.
It's done! Yuli did it!
Lise! Why are you here? I thought I told you to stay put!
Yeah, I know, but I needed to do something. I couldn't keep hiding like that.
I thought you were dead back there, Lise.
I'm sorry.
Please don't be. It's not something you need to apologize for. We are all alive thanks to you. Right, Alraid?
Yes, she's right. If not for you, we'd be dead. Your Royal Highness, I'm forever in your debt.
Please, I insist you stop at once. Judging by the nasty injuries you both have, I know how hard you must have been fighting. If a debt is owed, I owe it. Thank you both. I thank you for not just protecting me, but our city too. You shall be rewarded.
I only did what any citizen would. However, if your Highness is willing to honor a request, I would like some alcohol, please, to share with my men.
Very well. Liquor it is.
Even though the magic circle is gone, the curse upon me hasn't vanished. I'll probably go on to starve to death.
Marlith is here. For you.
Huh?
I brought lunch for myself. You can have it.
I'll spit it up after eating thanks to this curse. Even so, that's fine. I get curse cooking one last time. It's so good! I don't feel like I need to throw up. I can eat it? Why? The curse? It's gone? No way! You mean this was Kerr's special power, and we never knew?
Hey, is it stuck in your throat? I brought a drink, too.
I can't believe it. We were protected by Kerr all along. To think none of us realized it, and we took his kindness for granted the whole time. I'm so sorry, Kerr, truly.
I'm glad you learned your lesson, but it's okay. See? I managed to clean up all your scrawls.
Kurt! Kurt!
Huh? Hey! Eulicia! Lisa! Hey!
Those are...
Phantom?
Who are these guys?
Oh, they're just the soldiers who have come to apprehend the infamous Scrawler.
Marlithus!
Kerr, are you gonna defend me or just stand there?
When I come and visit you in jail, I'll bring you some of your favorite grape bread.
Ah, that's not what I need, you stupid...
May you repent for your wanton graffiti.
Sir Kurt, have you finished cleaning up yet?
Oh, yes! Did you get hurt while you were gone, Lise?
I'm perfectly fine. I gave Miss Yuli a bottle of your magic medicine, so she should be fine too.
Wow, really? That's a huge relief, thank you!
Good grief. I can't believe they're the ones who saved my life. The Atelier Meister and the third Princess Lisa Lotte herself. I'm his personal adventurer, huh? I've got my work cut out for me.
Let's go home.
Oh yeah, back home to our atelier.
What's wrong? Grinning because you're stuck between two beautiful women?
No? Oh, not like that. Really, I do think you're both quite beautiful. It's just, I'm not really sure myself, but I think I'm having a lot of fun with you. 'Cause now I have friends to go home with, and a home to go to. From the bottom of my heart, I think I'm as happy as can be. What do I do? This is supposed to be a special feast to reward all the frontier knights. But it seems like they're forcing themselves to eat. They're gulping it down as fast as a giant cup of bitter medicine. This doesn't feel like a celebratory feast at all. Hey guys, if this isn't good, I can make you something else.
You got the wrong idea. They're all gorging themselves because the food and booze are so good. Ain't that right, boys?
Sir, yes, sir! It's great!
What a relief. Now it's a real feast. That guy's one heck of a foreman.
Sir Kurt, there's someone I'd like you to meet. This man's name is Sir Allraid Kuskiso. He serves as both the chair of citywide operations and he's the general of the army.
What? I thought you were the city's foreman.
Well, sometimes I fill that role too. So, what do you think? You enjoying your stay?
Yes, very much so. Your townsfolk are so kind and the produce is delicious too. I'm sure it's because of your good governing, General.
Oh, please, don't let him fool you. The General is pretty bad at administrative tasks.
Well, yeah. Margrave Tycone helps me out. The man's gotten pretty good at picking up my slack, that's for sure.
Fireworks?
That's unusual.
I thought everyone would enjoy them, so I set some time aside to make a batch.
Pretty.
What? My wounds have healed.
Looks like mine have too.
That's good to hear. It's pretty common for wounds to heal after eating a good meal, as they say.
No one says that! Nothing about this is common!
Huh?
Margrave Tycone, what brings you back to me this evening?